friends. I have a very short and quick video for you today to get you started on math. So we are going to be counting backwards just like we have been all week. So if you did not watch the Jack Hartman video, please watch it before you get started on your activity. You can listen to all of my directions right now, but just please watch your Jack Hartman video and count to 30 and count back down from 30, count backwards with him before you get started on our activity. But I just want to demonstrate one more time, what it means to count backwards. So I have my tens stick. I have 10 cubes, and I'm going to count them for you just so you know that I have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 here, and you're going to count backwards with me from 10, and every single time we go back, we're going to take one away. So I have 10 here, so 10. I take one away, and now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I went from 10, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10, 9, 8. One more goes away. Now I have 7. Now I have 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So I counted backwards by taking away some of my cubes. And now I'm going to put them back together for you just because I want to show you what you're going to do next. So when we count backwards, we can take away while we count. So that's what you are going to do today. I have all of my number cards right here. You should still have your number cards from yesterday. I hope you didn't throw them away. If you did throw them away, you can make new ones by just writing the numbers 1 through 30 on a piece of paper and cutting them out. So if you accidentally threw them away, it's okay. I hope you didn't, but I just shuffled mine up and I made sure they were super good and mixed up. And I'm gonna either put them in a bag, but I don't have a bag. So I'm just gonna spread them out on my table, and I can actually show you how they're spread out on my table. So I have them all spread out here. I know it's kind of hard to see them because they're white and my table is white. Here, I'll put them on the back of my book so that you can see it a little bit better. I have them all spread out. And what I am going to do first, I need to find 30 things. And I'm here to tell you, you already have 20. So maybe you use these 20 and then you find 10 pens. So I could use 20 and then I could find 10 pens. Or I could even find coins if I needed to. I could find goldfish. I could find Legos. But you need 30 altogether. So you already have 10, 20. So you need to go get 10 more things so you can make a pile of 30. Okay? After you have 30 things, so you have this and you have your 10 pens, you have your 10 goldfish, you have your 10 Legos, you have your 10 coins, anything, you're going to make a pile of 30. So I am going to make a pile of 30, and then I am going to, just like you guys saw that I had all of my numbers, I'm going to pick a number. They're all spread out, and I'm going to pick a number. And that number is 22. So I am going to make a pile of 22 things, and I'm going to keep my number 22 here so that I know I have it. Ooh, look, I can even stick it in my glasses so that you guys can see it. I'm going to do the number 22. So I already know I have 10, 20, 21, 22. So I have 22 things, and I'm going to break apart. Oh, my number's falling. Miss Strohmeyer's being silly. I know it. I'm going to break apart so I have all of my cubes, and I have a pile of 22 things. And you're going to count backwards from 22, and you're going to put things away while you count to that number. There we go. My cubes are not cooperating with me. And I really hope my number doesn't fall out of my glasses. So I am making a pile of 22. And remember, I have 20 cubes and I have 2 pens. So I'm going to show you my pile. Here's my pile of 22 things. And I am going to count backwards by putting something away every single time. So I start with 22. And then if I take away a cube, now I have 21. My number fell. You couldn't see it though. So now I took one away. So now I have 21. If I take one more away, now I have 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So I just counted backwards from my number 22 by putting a group of 22 together and then putting 1 away each time. So that is what you are going to do. You are going to get your number cards. You are going to find something that you have 30 of. Excuse me. But remember that you already have 20 cubes, so you might just need to find 10 more things to add to your 20. And then you are going to pick a random number. So I'm going to give you your first number. Your first number that you're going to count backwards from is 8. So you need to make a pile of 8, and then you need to count backwards from 8. And you are going to do this as many times as you can. So you're going to pick a number, and then you're going to put that number to the side so you remember that number, and you're going to make that pile, and then you will count backwards. So that is what your activity is today. Make sure that you save all of your cubes. Make sure you don't lose them. Make sure you save your number cards. It's okay if you threw them away on accident, but please keep them if you haven't thrown them away. And if you make new ones, please keep your new ones, okay? All right, friends, I hope you have an awesome time working on math today. And don't forget to also listen to Jack Hartman. And don't forget to spend some time on Dreambox. And I will see you guys in a little while. Bye, friends.